If you're thinking about installing a new AC unit, there are 4 key factors to consider. Hi there, I'm Michelle Notaro, Product Manager for Air Conditioners at Carrier. Installing an air conditioning system is a significant investment, and several factors should be considered to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Let's dive in. Factor number 1, the type of cooling system. Decide what type of cooling system is best for your needs. Consider factors like what size air conditioner you need, your budget, and your local climate. Types of cooling systems include air conditioners, ductless mini splits, and heat pumps. Factor number 2 is energy efficiency and home comfort. Look for a unit with a high SEER2 rating to help reduce your home comfort costs. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio and measures the cooling efficiency of air conditioners and heat pumps. Be on the lookout for ENERGY STAR certified models as well, as they have met strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Factor number 3 is installation costs and tax rebates. Factor in not just the cost of the AC unit, but also installation expenses, ductwork modifications if needed, and additional features like smart thermostats. Then, factor in savings from federal tax credits or rebates your new air conditioner may qualify for. Factor number 4 is indoor air quality. Be sure to look into the indoor air quality features the air conditioning unit provides. Many modern split air conditioning systems include air filtration and humidity control features. These features can help improve your indoor air quality and your comfort. And there you have it, 4 factors to consider before installing an AC unit. A little planning goes a long way in finding the right system for your home. For expert guidance, connect with your local Carrier dealer. They'll help you choose the best air conditioner for your needs.